Let me ask you something honest. When was the last time you spoke English without fear, without stopping, without translating in your head, without waiting for the perfect moment? Maybe it was never. Maybe you are still waiting. But today, I want to tell you something that changed everything for me. You do not need more lessons. You do not need more grammar rules. You need a routine, a simple daily routine that works even on your hardest days, even when you are tired, even when you feel like giving up. Because language is not learned in one big moment. It is built in small, quiet moments, repeated every single day. So today, I will walk with you through one full day, a simple day, a powerful day, the kind of day that, if you repeat it, will transform your English forever. Are you ready? Let's begin. The moment you wake up, before you touch your phone, before you check your messages, give yourself just 5 minutes. 5 minutes that belong only to you and your English. Look around your room and speak. Say what you see. This is my bed. This is my pillow. The room is quiet. I feel sleepy. Do not worry about grammar. Do not worry about mistakes. Just let the words come out of your mouth. Because this small moment is training your brain to think in English, not translate into English. And that difference will change everything. Now, while you get ready, while you wash your face, while you brush your teeth, talk to yourself like a friend, like someone you trust. Say, today I will try my best. I have things to do. I will stay focused. I will speak English today. These words cost you nothing, but they build something invisible and powerful inside you. Confidence, quiet confidence, the kind no one can take from you. Now let's talk about something most people ignore: fear. The real reason your English does not come out is not because you don't know enough words. It is because you are afraid of sounding wrong, afraid of being judged, afraid of the silence after your mistake. I know that fear. I have felt it too. But let me tell you what I learned. Fear does not disappear before you speak. Fear disappears because you speak. So speak, even when your voice shakes, especially when your voice shakes. If this kind of reminder helps you, if this voice feels like the push you need, subscribe to this channel. Every week I will be here, walking with you, step by step. During your morning, maybe at breakfast, maybe during your first quiet moment, pick one sentence, just one. A sentence that means something to you. Maybe, I am learning English because I want a better future. Or, I am stronger than my fear. Or simply, today I will try. Read it slowly, then read it again. Then close your eyes and say it without looking. Feel the words. Let them live in your mouth, not just in your mind. This is how fluency begins, not in the classroom. In these small, silent moments you give to yourself. Now let's add 5 words to your day. Just 5, not 50, not 20. 5 words, but learn them deeply. Use them, make them yours. Today's words are these: courage, the strength to do something even when you are afraid. Patience, waiting without giving up. Progress, moving forward, even slowly. Silence, the space between words. Believe, to trust something with your heart, Now use them. I need courage to speak English. Progress takes patience. I believe I can do this. Every silence is okay. I will find my words. Words do not belong to you when you memorize them. They belong to you when you use them, when they come out naturally, when you stop thinking and just speak. That in the middle of your day, during a break, during a quiet moment, find a short video, a short clip, even 2 minutes. Listen carefully, then pause and repeat. Copy the voice, copy the rhythm, copy the emotion. This is called shadowing, and it is one of the most powerful things you can do to train your mouth to speak English naturally. In the beginning, it will feel strange. You will feel like you are pretending, but you are not pretending. You are practicing, and practice is the only road to fluency. Now, mistakes. I want to talk about mistakes, because somewhere along the way, someone made you believe that mistakes are failure. They are not. Mistakes are proof that you are trying, and trying is the only thing that matters. When you say something wrong, do not stop. Correct it quietly. Move forward. I went to the market yesterday. Not I go to market yesterday. I went. Good. You learned something. That mistake made you better. Do not let the fear of mistakes keep you silent. Silence teaches you nothing. Mistakes teach you everything. In the evening, just 10 minutes, write about your day. Simple sentences, small sentences. Today I woke up early. I felt tired, but I tried. I learned 5 new words. I am proud of myself. Writing is quiet speaking. It slows your brain down. It forces you to choose your words carefully, and every sentence you write makes your speaking stronger, clearer, more confident. And at night, before you close your eyes, speak one last time. Tell your day to yourself in English. Even if it is broken, even if it is 3 sentences, today was a good day. I tried my best. Tomorrow I will do better. This small habit, this quiet conversation with yourself, is building something you cannot see yet. But one day you will feel it. One morning you will wake up, and English will feel different, lighter, easier, natural. Not because something changed overnight, but because every small day added up. Every morning routine, every 5 words, every sentence you whispered to yourself when no one was listening. Let me tell you the truth about fluency. Fluency is not speaking fast. Fluency is not having a perfect accent. Fluency is not knowing every word in the dictionary. Fluency is this: looking at someone and saying exactly what you feel, clearly, simply, without fear. I am happy. I am tired. I understand you. I need help. That is fluency, and it is closer than you think. Your accent does not matter. Your background does not matter. The country you come from does not matter. What matters is this: your consistency. Your decision to show up every single day, even on the hard days, especially on the hard days, because discipline will take you where motivation cannot. So here is your routine. Write it down. Put it somewhere you can see it. Morning, 5 minutes. Speak what you see. Getting ready. Talk to yourself in English. 1 sentence. Read it. Repeat it. Feel it. 5 new words. Use them. Own them. 1 short clip. Listen. Pause. Shadow. Evening. 10 minutes of writing. Night. Speak your day out loud. That is it. Simple. Powerful. Yours. Now, repeat after me. I speak English every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I trust my progress. My voice deserves to be heard. Again, I speak English every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I trust my progress. My voice deserves to be heard. If these words helped you today, if you felt something while listening, subscribe to this channel. Every week, a new speech is waiting for you because you deserve a voice that keeps showing up for you. And I will be here every single week. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today, one sentence, one word, one small step. Because every word you speak today is building the person you will become tomorrow. Keep going, keep speaking, keep believing. Your English journey has already begun. See you on the next video.